Here are some tips to help you in the event of a crash. Experiencing a collision as a truck driver can be a stressful and overwhelming situation. It's essential to remain calm and take immediate action to ensure the safety of everyone involved and to protect your rights. Here are some important tips to follow immediately after a collision. Move your vehicle to a safe location away from traffic, if possible. Use your hazard lights, triangles and flares to alert other drivers. Ensure that your truck is secured and doesn't pose a further hazard. If anyone is injured, dial 911 right away for emergency medical help. Immediately notify law enforcement about the collision. Provide accurate information about your location, the nature of the crash, and any injuries sustained. Having an official police report will be crucial. Cooperate fully with law enforcement when they arrive at the scene, providing accurate and honest information about the incident. Avoid making statements about what you think happened if you don't know for sure. It's okay to say, "I don't know," or "I'm not sure." Usually, the less you talk about the incident, the better. While waiting for the police to arrive, document the collision scene as thoroughly as possible. Take photos or videos of all vehicle damage, the road or intersection and any visible injuries. Note any relevant details such as road conditions, weather, and the positions of the vehicles. These visual records will serve as valuable evidence during the claims process or potential legal proceedings. Exchange information with the other parties involved. Obtain their names, contact details, license numbers, and insurance and vehicle info. Provide the same information to them. Be cooperative and polite, but avoid admitting fault or making any statements that may be used against you later. Stick to the facts and avoid discussing the accident with others at the scene. If there were any witnesses to the collision, ask if they would be willing to provide a statement to the police. Witnesses can play a crucial role in helping law enforcement determine fault and provide a more accurate account of the incident. Promptly inform your manager or dispatcher about the incident. Provide them with all the relevant details, including the responding police agency's information, photos, and videos. Depending on the situation, you may need to complete a post-crash drug and alcohol test ASAP. Experiencing a truck collision can be a distressing event, but taking the right steps immediately afterward is crucial. Just remember to prioritize safety, contact the authorities, document the scene, exchange information, provide statements to law enforcement, and inform your manager or dispatcher ASAP. Remember to remain calm, cooperative, and don't accept blame or make statements that could be used against you. By following these tips, you can protect your rights, ensure the well-being of everyone involved, and navigate the aftermath of a collision more effectively.